Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Whistle podcast. Today, I want to talk about something that can completely transform your life, something simple but incredibly powerful. Living like your future self. Not tomorrow. Not next month. Today. So grab your tea, get comfortable. Let's dive in. The truth about your future self. There is a version of you out there. A version who wakes up with confidence. Who respects her time. Who knows what she wants. Who doesn't settle for half love, half dreams, or half effort. And the crazy part. She's not far away. She's not some fantasy. She's just a few habits, a few decisions, a few boundaries away. But here, the mistake most people make. We wait to feel ready. We wait for motivation. We wait for a perfect moment. But your future self, she exists only if you act like her before you become her. The mindset shift. Imagine this for a moment. If your future self, your highest, most confident, most powerful version, was standing right next to you, what would she tell you? She wouldn't say, "Keep procrastinating. Keep doubting yourself. Keep giving energy to people who drain you." No, she would say, "Protect your peace. Respect your time. Show up for yourself even when no one is watching." This is the mindset shift. Act as if you already are her. Not fake it until you make it. But behave until it becomes reality. The 24-hour challenge method. Hear how you can start practicing this today. A simple method I call the 24-hour future self challenge. For the next 24 hours, you ask yourself one question before every action. What would my future self do? Would she hit snooze 7 times? Or wake up on the first ring? Would she scroll TikTok for 2 hours? Or read 10 pages of a book? Would she keep arguing with negative people? Or protect her mental space? Would she accept crumbs from someone? Or walk away in peace? When you make decisions from the perspective of your future self, you start building her, one choice at a time, one small act of self-respect at a time. Simple habits to become your future self. Let me give you a few habits that your future self is already doing. 1. She wakes up with intention, not confusion. She doesn't check her phone first. She checks in with herself. 2. She organizes her day. She doesn't let life just happen. She plans lightly. She prioritizes. She says no without guilt. 3. She practices daily self-respect. She keeps her promises to herself. She does the hard things because they matter. 4. She takes care of her mind and body. Not to become perfect, but to feel good in her own skin. 5. She surrounds herself with peace. If something destroys her energy, she lets it go. These are not huge steps, but done daily, they transform who you are becoming. The emotional truth. And let me tell you a secret. When you start acting like your future self, you will feel uncomfortable at the beginning. You'll feel like you don't deserve this version of you. But that discomfort, that's growth happening. And then something magical starts to shift. People treat you differently. Your habits aligned. You start attracting better things. You gain clarity. Opportunities appear. Doors open. Because you are no longer living like the old you. You're choosing the upgraded version. The wiser version. The healed version. That's the power of becoming your future self. Final motivation. So today I want you to try this challenge. Just today. Just 24 hours. Show up like the version of you who has already healed. Who already knows her worth. Who already has the life she dreams of. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be intentional. Because your future self, She's waiting for you. And every choice you make today brings you one step closer to her. Thank you for spending this moment with me. If this episode inspired you, share it with someone who needs it. And remember, your future self is not far away. You're already becoming her. Until next time, stay kind to yourself, stay consistent, and keep growing. See you in the next episode.